Hey guys, what's up? Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm very excited to show you what I mix with Vaseline to gain those amazing fats. Okay, those healthy fats. Okay guys, so this is actually very amazing. I am so glad I discovered this, and it's actually very effective. Okay, but you have to give it a go and again and again. Okay, all right, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go guys. For those amazing fats at your very important area, you're gonna be needing this, and this is fenugreek seed. Okay, you can actually order fenugreek seed online. So this is how it is, and I'm gonna be taking just a little of the seed and then I'm gonna be blending it. Okay, I had the blended one but I used it, so I'm gonna be putting just a little of the fenugreek seed while I cover the rest. So we're gonna blend it. Yuppie. So it's gonna take time for this thing to blend. Man, to blend the seed to be very smooth, you have to get a very strong blender to do that. Yeah, so I just blended a little and it has actually cut a little, and we're gonna be using Vaseline. Yeah, so you're gonna be taking your Vaseline and then you're gonna be adding that. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna be keeping this aside. I'm gonna be telling you how you're gonna be using it later, but for now let me go forward to other ingredients. Yeah, there's a two-step in which you're going to achieve this. Okay, so all right guys, so for the next step we're going to be using some fresh granola. Now for you to gain weight, you have to eat some very healthy protein and some very healthy or good carbohydrates that would actually deposit those fats at the right places, which is our back and our front, guys. Okay, so I'm actually using fresh granola because I know some people or most people react to fried granules, which actually deposit some fat on your face. Okay, sorry, some pimples and all of that. So we don't want that, but we want to gain weight, right? I'm gonna be showing you that. Okay, so we're gonna be getting a blender and then we're gonna be blending our granules. Okay, so we're done blending our granules, and that's it. So now I'm going to be turning that into my cup. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing is some full cream milk. Full cream milk for this. Okay, and then you're gonna put some good quantity of the milk. Okay, so I'm actually going to be turning all of this in there. So you're equally going to be needing some yogurt. Okay, so you're going to be needing a whole lot of yogurt, as much as you can actually go. So this is my yogurt. It contains some fluoride in it, which is actually very healthy. Okay, so I'm going to be turning that into my granules and my milk. And then we're gonna be needing some soya milk, soya beans. Okay, soya milk powder. Yup. Okay, so you can actually buy this or you can process it yourself. It's very simple to process. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be putting some spoon. So I put 2 tablespoons of the soya milk, and then we stir. Now when you want to gain weight, your drink has to be thick. It has to be thick, so that when you drink it, it's just gonna stay in your body, you know. Look at how thick that is. Everything in here are so yummy. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do. Yeah, so for this particular one, you're gonna be drinking it because it's a drink. Okay, it's gonna deposit that fat and give you that curve, removing belly fat. You're not going to be gaining weight while you drink this, because none of this are actually things that would make you gain that excessive weight, but at the right places those weights are going to be deposited. Okay, all right, so now let's go for this particular one. Yeah, so for this particular one, you are going to make this and then you store it in a little container, airtight container, and then what you do every morning and every evening, you take this and then you apply it onto your backside. You know, you rub it in a circular motion. Let the fenugreek powder touch everywhere. Rub it at the front side equally to stand it up. Yep. Okay, so you rub it this way, rub it at the 2 sides. Okay, don't rub it in one side, rub it at the 2 sides. You just apply it that way. Okay, so you keep massaging it and you do this for like 3 to 4 weeks of applying this every day. You just make this and keep it, and then you just rub it every evening, you know, sleep with it, and then you drink this. This is healthy, very healthy. When you do this too every day, man, you are gonna be looking really beautiful, amazing, with some beautiful curves here and there. Okay, so this is actually very healthy, and you apply this as a lotion and you are good to go. Okay, so it is as simple as that, and it is very effective. Okay guys, so that's it. You have to apply on the other hand and you have to drink on the other hand. So you have to do the two marry each other. Okay, the two goals. Okay, you have to apply the two. Yup, you rub and you drink, and it gives you the fat inside and it prevents your stretch mark from the outside, literally. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'll see you again. Be good, be beautiful, and bye guys.